In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start tracking time in Hubstaff. Managing your time effectively is crucial for productivity, whether you're working solo or managing a team. Hubstaff offers a simple, user-friendly platform designed precisely for that purpose. So let's dive right in and learn how to get started with tracking your time using this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hubstaff account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen. You'll notice a row of icons that represent different features and options you can access on the platform. The next step involves locating the time icon. This icon looks like a small clock and is usually pretty easy to spot amongst the other options available. After you've clicked on the time icon, a new window or sidebar will appear. This is where you'll begin organizing how you'll track your time. Essentially, it's your command center for managing your activities. Here, you won't just be tracking time aimlessly. You'll be associating your time with specific projects. Select a project from the list provided. It's important to highlight why this step matters. By choosing a particular project, you're ensuring that every second you track is purposeful and linked to the relevant tasks. This not only helps in better time management, but also ensures accurate billing or reporting if you're charging clients by the hour. Once you've chosen the project that you want to track your time on, you'll now be ready to start the actual tracking. Here's where the Start button icon comes into play. Look for this button. It often resembles the traditional play symbol, usually a right-facing triangle. Clicking on this button initiates the time tracker. From here, Hubstaff will start collecting data on how long you spend on the selected project. It's worth noting that while the timer is running, you can focus entirely on your work without distraction. Hubstaff quietly operates in the background, logging your time efficiently. In fact, many users find it helpful to make a habit of reviewing their tracked time once they've completed tasks, which can be insightful for personal productivity improvements or team evaluations. And there you have it. Your time tracking is active. Don't forget, once you're done working on your project or you need to take a break, click that same Start button again to stop the timer. This will pause the tracking and save your data. Now, before we wrap up, a quick tip. Periodically review your tracked hours and notes on Hubstaff. This will give you a clearer picture of where your hours are allocated and can help you optimize your time management strategies in the future. And that's all you need to know to start tracking your time with Hubstaff. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow.